Today we're breathing life into a flat-looking photo by building depth through contrast, perspective, and atmospheric separation. We'll begin by identifying your foreground, midground, and background. Once those are clear, gently brighten your background using curves while adding a touch of darkness to foreground edges. This creates instant depth. Next, reduce clarity or add a soft haze to distant objects. Far objects naturally lose sharpness.
For extra dimension, lightly enhance color contrast, richer tones in the front, softer tones in the back.
As a finishing touch, introduce subtle vignettes to guide the viewer's eye. By shaping light and space, even simple photos gain remarkable three-dimensional energy. Let's start building